Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva AI image generator, quick tip step by step clearly. To start using Canva's AI image generator, first, open the Canva website or app. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account already. Once logged in, go to the home page and select Create a Design from the options available. In the search bar, type AI image generator and select it from the drop-down suggestions. Now, you'll see a blank canvas along with the AI image generation tools on the side. Click on the option that says Generate an image to access the image generator interface. Next, enter a specific prompt describing the image you want to create. Be clear and descriptive to get the best possible results. After entering your prompt, click on the Generate button to start the process. Wait a few moments while the AI creates your image based on your description. Once the image is generated, you'll see it appear on your canvas. If you want to make changes, adjust your prompt and hit Generate again. Once you're satisfied with the image, click on the Download button to save it to your device. You can also use the image in your current design by simply dragging it onto your design canvas. Experiment with different prompts to explore various image styles and options. Remember, you can refine and customize your images using Canva's editing tools. That's how you use Canva's AI image generator for quick and easy image creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.